Welcome to our channel. If you want to use the Discover mobile app to manage your credit card account on the go, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize its features. Step 1. Download the Discover mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Step 2. Open the app and tap Login if you already have online account credentials, or tap Register to create a new account. Step 3. Enter your user ID and password to log in securely. Enable biometric login, such as fingerprint or face recognition, for faster future access. Step 4. Once logged in, view your account dashboard displaying your current balance, available credit, recent transactions, and payment due date. Step 5. To make a payment, tap Make a Payment and choose the payment amount, date, and bank account from which to transfer funds. Step 6. Use the app to view detailed transaction history, categorize expenses, and track spending patterns over time. Step 7. Set up account alerts and notifications to receive instant updates about purchases, payments due, and potential fraud activity. Step 8. Explore additional features like viewing statements, redeeming cashback rewards, updating personal information, and accessing customer support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.